Light, the magnificent manifestation of life. Since ancient times, human beings always thought of controlling light. But it took centuries for light to make a new dimension in human life. It should be acknowledged that life will lose its real meaning without light. And now, Mazinoor Lighting Industries, an expert manufacturing company of various high-quality luminaires with more than 30 years of experience in Iran. The company tagline is "Excellent Only." It means Mazinoor thrives for continual improvement of its total quality and wishes to recommend customers to keep their high-level expectation at the highest. This manufacturing facility is situated on a 50,000 square meter land located in the green land of Babol Mazandaran, close to the Caspian Sea. Over 600 high-skilled personnel are involved in the design, development and manufacturing of a wide variety of luminaires at Mazinoor factory. The advanced technologies, modern production lines and precise quality controls in accordance with international standards make Mazinoor the leading force in the Iranian lighting industry. At present, a great collection of luminaire models are produced by Mazinoor for a wide variety of lighting applications such as office lighting, industrial lighting, flood lighting, street and roadway, as well as outdoor lighting. The design of all Mazinoor luminaires is based on maximum energy efficiency. Both innovation and creativity of company managers, engineers and employees utilizing the latest technologies for the design and development of high-quality luminaires are commendable. Relying on these facilities and innovations, Mazinoor succeeded in achieving the TÜV certificate as the first producer of explosion-proof luminaires in Iran under the license of Adolf Schuch of Germany. Realizing the fact that the modern management is an absolute necessity in the third millennium for industries to succeed, Mazinoor deployed the comprehensive management system and constantly improved it based on ISO 9001-2008 standard. Utilizing the ERP software system to have an integrated and well-organized information system, Mazinoor is capable of managing its affairs up to par with the leading luminaire manufacturers worldwide. Mazinoor enjoys a considerable worldwide market share and thrives for continually expanding it. Thus, Mazinoor was praised several times as the exporter and the manufacturer of the year in the last years. Utilizing state-of-the-art international lighting technologies, Mazinoor R&D department continually works on the development of new ideas and latest lighting solutions and carries out the necessary tests for electric, illumination, temperature, humidity and duration tests criteria in accordance with IEC 60598 norm. The company's main goal is to maximize its global market share by ensuring customer success. The designing team utilizes the latest analytic, illumination and diagrammatic softwares which are based on lighting engineering principles and employs the best technical knowledge to creatively design durable luminaires for various lighting applications. By employing modern technologies, Mazinoor is capable of manufacturing the different components of the luminaires in various sections of the plant by unmatched precision and constant quality. Modern tools, high-quality raw material and professional teams are all considered as the basis for success of the company in all activities. All employees diligently ensure that all parts of the luminaires conform to the predefined design standards and in compliance with the established Mazinoor standard. It is apparent that Mazinoor owes both its development and fast-paced progress to its innovative, creative and diligent team. That very diligence and relentless efforts have made it possible for the company to penetrate into the market of the world's 5 continents much faster than it was expected. We at Mazinoor are fully committed to continual development and improvement which matches the company's distinct image in the country. Let's not forget that light is the magnificent manifestation of life.